If you were married at least 10 years and your spouse, let's just say your husband, let's talk about traditional gender roles here, your husband worked to qualify for Social Security, meaning that he worked at least 10 years. And you got divorced and you were married at least 10 years. And you don't remarry, okay? He can remarry. He can marry 3 different women. But as long as you don't remarry, you have the opportunity to draw off of his earnings, because typically his earnings are higher than your earnings, because typically women stay out of the workforce for a certain period of time. I was a stay-at-home mom for 5 years. So for 5 years of my work history, if you look at your Social Security statement, I had zeros, right? When he still had income. So when it comes time that you can draw on Social Security, so say you want to draw at 62, the earliest that you can. And let's say your husband's older and he's already on benefits. You don't have to talk to him. He doesn't have to agree to it. He doesn't have to know that you're going to draw off his benefits. It doesn't hurt him. It's not like I'm taking money out of his pocket. The government is just going to calculate your benefit based off of his earnings. Okay? So let's say I work part-time. They're going to calculate it and they're going to say my earnings, I worked for 35 years and here's my earnings. If my earnings, what I could earn, is less than 50% of my ex-spouse's, I can draw off his earnings. Like I said, he doesn't have to consent, he doesn't have to know, and it doesn't hurt him. And a lot of divorced spouses don't know this. Now I have a lot of people calling me and they're saying, well, we were never legally married, but we lived together for 32 years. There's about 10 or 11 common law states where common law marriage is recognized or used to be recognized. And so there is a chance that you're in one of those states that even though you weren't legally married, that you might still be able to draw off the benefits. There's a lot of forms, a lot of proof, you got to have some witnesses, but you might not be out of luck, you might be able to draw off the benefits. Now I have people all the time that say, I've been separated for 20 years. We were married 10 years, and we've been separated forever. Can I still draw off his benefits? He's remarried. Yes, you can. You didn't get divorced, okay? I don't care if you're separated. I don't care. If you didn't get divorced, you're still eligible. And if you have questions and you want to see what this might look like, you can set up a free account at Social Security. It's www.ssa.gov. Log in and see what your benefits might look like. Or call us here at the Medicare Family. Our Medicare specialists can answer a lot of questions about Social Security and help you make these important decisions. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.